Number 35B, what difference does 0.5% make on a loan? This time the example is a mortgage, and so it has a larger principal that's borrowed, and it also has a longer time frame, because typically a mortgage is longer than a car loan. So the amount borrowed for this is $80,000, and the length of the loan is 30 years. Both of these interest rates are going to be monthly. The first one is at 6.75%, and the second one is at 7.25%. These are both monthly compounding, and also for 30 years. So the total number of payment periods on this is 30 times 12, which is 360 for both. The period interest rate is going to be 0.0675 over 12. So 0.5%, and then a little bit more, 0.005625 on the first one, and the second period interest rate is 0.725 divided by 12, which is about just a little over 0.6%. Okay. Both of these are for the present value of an ordinary annuity. So that is present value times payment, and then times the compounding part from the geometric sum. So what we know here is we know the amount borrowed and the length of the time, and that's going to be the same for both of these. This interest is going to change. And the question is, how does that impact the payments? And then the total paid for over the whole life of the loan. Okay, so first find the payments. So the payment is going to be R. So it's going to be the amount borrowed divided by the term in the brackets. So and we know all these numbers, so just plug them in. So we have 80,000 divided by term of the brackets, 1 minus 1 plus 0.005625 to the minus 360. Again, 5625. Okay. So that's the monthly interest. Compute the part in the brackets. So the minus 360 power divided by the monthly interest. So this is going to be 80,000 divided by 154.17. So, and that gives a payment amount of $518.88. For the loan at the 6.75% annualized. Now for the payment at the 7.25% annualized rate. So again, amount borrowed divided by the part in the brackets. $0.00604. That's our monthly interest. So compute the bracket term. minus 360 power divided by monthly interest. So this is 146.58. And now divide 80,000 by that. And this time the payment is $545.74. So payment on the first one is that, and the second one is that. And so this is the difference of about just under $30, about $27.